Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1990 ECE paper, and this question is related to analog circuits. For the same AC voltage and load impedance, which of the following statements about rectifier are correct? The average load current of a full wave rectifier is twice than that of half wave rectifier. B. Average load current in a full wave rectifier is n times than that of half wave rectifier. C. Half wave rectifier will have a bigger size transformer compared to full wave rectifier. D. Half wave rectifier will have a small size transformer compared to full wave rectifier. Here you can think full wave rectifier can be either bridge rectifier or center tap transformer, because there are two varieties are available. But whenever it is said that one full wave rectifier, it is always center tapped only, and once it is mentioned as bridge rectifier, then only you should consider bridge rectifier. Okay, but we will discuss this question with respect to both the things. Okay, for first we are going in this way. This is a rectifier. It can be half wave, full wave, or full wave with center tap, or full wave with voltage, full wave with bridge rectifier. If you are applying the input voltage for this one, input voltage for the rectifier is nothing but secondary voltage, that I am assuming it as sin omega t, because same AC voltage we have to apply, and at the output side there is a load which is nothing but RL is connected. So Vm sin omega t is constant, RL is going to be constant. So in that case we can compare half wave rectifier, full wave rectifier, and bridge rectifier. So first case is nothing but IDC, load current, we know that one. IDC is equal to Im by pi, and here IDC is nothing but IDC, DC load current is 2 Im by pi, and for bridge rectifier is also it is 2 Im by pi. And second important parameter is nothing but type of transformer, that is step down transformer we are going to use. What is the type of step down transformer? Is for half wave rectifier a normal transformer can be used. Normal transformer. For full wave rectifier it should be center tap transformer only. Center tap transformer, which is going to be bulkier, as well as tapping at the center is very difficult. That is, you are going to choose the number of turns on the primary, and secondary is going to be such that, okay, and secondary voltage is at exactly half at the tap. That is very difficult. Okay, and bridge rectifier is going to be using a normal transformer itself. So if you are comparing the four statements given in the answers, average load current of full wave rectifier is twice than half wave rectifier. A is right answer. With respect to both, full wave rectifier may be bridge rectifier or general full wave rectifier. Second is going to be average load current of full wave rectifier is n times than that of half wave. It is not n times, it is only twice. So the right answer is nothing but A only. And we will check about C. Half wave rectifier will have a bigger size transformer. It doesn't require. Only full wave rectifier, that too with center tapped, only requires a bigger transformer. If you are comparing with, that is, half wave rectifier will have a small size transformer compared to full wave rectifier. This is somewhat right whenever we are dealing with full wave rectifier with center tap transformer, that is bulkier, as well as cost is also more. So the right answer for this question is A and D. Thank you.